Hello again, Grace chatting here. This is a new series I'm just introducing. For those of you, if you love someone who is struggling with alcoholism, loving someone with alcoholism is quite a painful and complex situation to find yourself in. So you might be torn between hoping for the recovery while losing yourself in the process. And the whole point of this series that I've created just for you is that the ones who love an alcoholic, this is who this is series for, so you don't lose your life trying to save theirs. So this series will be your lifeline, whether you're staying or leaving or you're still unsure. The I Love an Alcoholic series offers compassionate, practical advice to help you reclaim your emotional well-being, how to recognize codependency, how to reclaim your sense of yourself, because it can feel like your preoccupation with your partner and what they're doing or not doing, you can lose your sense of self in it. How to protect your children and how to navigate all the complex family dynamics that go on. You know, the things that you say or you don't say, or when you say it or when you don't say it. And a lot of the time it can feel like you're walking on eggshells. How to set boundaries and to touch with love. You'll learn that as well in the series. And how to heal bitterness. You know, the chances are that you have felt hurt and a lot of your partner's drinking behaviour you've taken personally. Take it as some kind of measure of how much or how little they love you. And that can make you feel resentful and bitter. So you'll learn how to heal that bitterness and restore your own emotional balance. It is a sign of losing yourself when someone else's behavior dictates how you behave and you allow that to happen, that you behave according to how somebody else is behaving. So this series isn't about fixing your partner. It's about you finding freedom from the chaos of it all, and about understanding that your happiness isn't dependent on their sobriety. So you'll receive insights and strategies and support to help you stand strong in your own life, no matter what they choose, because this has a bearing on how things unfold in the future when your children are adults and their perception of how you are being in your life, in their life. Now, it's a good time to stop and take stock. And if you're still with your alcoholic partner and you love your alcoholic partner and you still have hope for things changing for the better, then this is the series for you. So there are two support groups. There's a Reclaim Your Life group and a Rebuild Your Life group. The Reclaim Your Life group is probably better for those of you who are still living with an active alcoholic partner, and the Rebuild Your Life is for those of you who perhaps have moved on into a new independent life. But either way, you'll connect with others who truly get you, who get the situation and the fine balance that you're walking day by day. And they are people who have walked the same road as you, are still walking the same road as you, and they can offer you real support without judgment. So hope and healing are possible, and you'll get that, and you don't have to stay stuck in survival mode, whichever your situation. This journey is about moving from heartbreak to hope, and from self-sacrifice to self-respect and to self-compassion. And remember that you matter and your life matters, and you don't have to do this alone. So join us now. Click the links below. You can join the groups and you can subscribe. And I'd love to hear your comments below. And I'm wishing you all the best. And I look forward to connecting with you again. Bye for now. Bye.